Alright, everybody, welcome back. We got some missions from the 509th online, so it's time to fly again. Target for tonight. First off will be my B-24D, which is no longer Screwball Express. It is now the Big Fat Mama, thanks to a fuel tank fire. And none of my crew made it back. They are now, I believe, all POWs, if I'm not mistaken. So anyway, we have our mission log filled out, and as you can see, I've copied and pasted it to my other plane for this, so I have all my information filled out that's given to us in our mission brief. And today we're headed for Ghadames, Libya, or Ghadames, or however you want to pronounce that. We're headed there. And I believe we're basically ready to go. I did forget to put plane 9 on there. Alright, there you go. Okay, got our reticles in. Nobody's left over jammed or anything from last time. We have good weather for base, so we'll just go straight to takeoff. And we roll a 2. But as it is good weather, we take off okay. Okay, so we'll head to zone 2. And our weather in zone 2 is 50%. We do not roll for mission recalls. Mechanical failure is 31. There'll be no mechanical failure. We do not roll for contrails. We'll be told if we have them. We are in formation. We're above 10,000 feet. There will be no German resistance in this zone, so we're wasting our good fighter cover. And we move to zone 3. Zone 3, 50% cloud cover again. Again, no mission recall. Mechanical failure. There will be a possibility of a mechanical failure. 03, that is mechanical failure. So we will roll 92 and bomb release mechanism J. That's nice. Zone 3, mech fail. Alright, so we can try to manual release I'm going to stick with it, even though we've got an automatic off target. Maybe we can drop them and still get some kind of percentage. Technically, we wouldn't know that our bomb release mechanism failed until we were ready to drop bombs. So that's the way I'm going to play this one. We're off to a great start. So we are in formation. We're above 10,000 feet. There will be no German resistance level again. And we will move to zone 4. In zone 4, the weather is hazy, We do not roll for mission recall or contrails. Mechanical failure, there'll be no mechanical failure. Information above 10,000 feet, we drag them over. Again, there is no German resistance in this zone. We're going to pay for that too. And we move to zone 5. In zone 5, we roll for mechanical failure. We have haze again, by the way. 81, no mechanical failure. Information above 10,000 feet. We're going to meet up with light German resistance. 2 minus 1 is 1. And we are in the high formation. So that's going to be a 1. 0. We're going to have 0 waves. Alright. Move to zone 6. We know that we have hazy weather here. We also know that we are slightly obscured. We are also bombing manually. So we're going to check for mechanical failure. No mechanical failure. We're going to have information above 10,000 feet. No contrails. Meeting moderate resistance. 10. 11. 12. That'll be three waves. So we don't have anything, don't have anything, don't have anything, and all of a sudden we get pounded. Wave 1, outbound. And we will not be able to chase any of those away. And we're rolling on the moderate resistance. Oops. 64. 4 109s. And that will be 6 o'clock high, 9 o'clock low, 12 o'clock level, and for well, shit, we're over the target. Normally I will not evade over the target. Like I said, we still wouldn't know that our bombing mechanism doesn't work until we attempt to bomb. So I'll play it as if I would normally play it, which is we will not evade. Alright, none of those get driven away. So we'll put these in as Italian ME-109, 6 o'clock high, 9 o'clock low, 12 o'clock level, and 130 level. Okay. None are driven off. Defensive fire allocation. We'll start with 12 o'clock level. Top turret nose gun. ME-109 at 130 level. Top turret right cheek. Six o'clock high. Top turret and tail turret. And 9 o'clock low. Ball turret left waist. Everybody right cheek and right left cheek and right waist will be firing. All right. German fighter pilot skill starting at 9 o'clock. We have green, 12 o'clock, average, 1:30, ace, 6 o'clock, green. Alright, and then we go to bomber defensive fire. We'll start at 9 o'clock. We'll start with the left waist. +1 for 9 o'clock, +1 for green. 9, that's going to be a hit. ME-109, single guns, so no modifiers. 7, FBOA. Then we'll go to the ball gun, and he is +1 for power, +1 for 9 o'clock, +1 for green. 9, that's also going to be a hit. And he has twin guns against a 109, so that's going to be +1. 8, 9, destroyed. So ball turret gets a kill. And we'll put 1 down probable. 3 undamaged so far. Okay, next one up. We're going to go with the nose gun first. No modifiers. 10, that's going to be a hit. No modifiers here. 7, FBOA again. Top turret, +1 for power. 12, that's a hit. Gonna roll here, +1 because he's twin guns. 4, 5, FCA. And discussing with other guys, I'm going to go back to anytime there's a -3, they're KIA. So my top turret gets a kill. And another 109 is out of the way. And that will be my engineer. Alright. 130. Right cheek, -1. That's the only modifier. Gonna miss. Tail guns. Tail guns are red. That's a powered twin on a B-24. So he's +1 for powered, +1 for green, +2 for 6 o'clock. That's +4. That's a hit. He is also a twin gun, so he's going to add 1. For 5, FCA. Okay, now German's turn. We'll start at 130. He's coming in. He needs 9 or more. He's an ace. 10, that'll be a hit. Coming in from 130. That's 5. That's 2 hits. For a 109, that's 5. That's 2 hits. B-24D coming from 130 level. Alright, first hit, 7, superficial. Second hit, 7, superficial. Alright, he rolls for collision, 7, there'll be no collision, he'll come back to see us. And in comes the greenie from 6 o'clock. And he needs 7 or more. He's going to subtract 2. That'll be a miss. No collision. Returns to deck. and that's a miss. And that will be 1 damaged. Alright, the return customer. He'll come in at 6 o'clock. Low. Now it'll be my ball and my tail again, I believe. Ball and tail, yep. So we'll start with the tail. +1 for power. +2 for 6 o'clock is +3. -1 is +2. That's a hit. And he's a 109, so we're going to add 1 for being twins. 6, 7. That'll be an FBOA. And brings up the ball gunner. He's +2 again, same for him. 7, 8, 9, that'll be a hit. Twins also, so we'll roll right here. 10, he gets the kill. Return to deck, delete, ball gunner, another kill. Alright, so we really ripped them a new a-hole. Just damaging 1, killing 3. We only took 3 attacks. Nope. Yeah, we can't do that yet. We still got 2 more waves to roll for. Second wave, 56. That'll be a random event or a no attack. That'll be a no attack. Alright, third wave, 61. None. I like that. So now we can put down the 3 attacks. No evasive action. Check for flak, and according to our mission briefing, that is light. So we'll roll 3 times for light flak. 8 is a miss. 5 is a miss. Snake Eyes is a hit. How about we get to the right page here? Snake Eyes is a hit. Well, flak shell hits. Let's go zone 6. Flak outbound. And that's actually going to be 12. 3 hits. Ouch. That's going to hurt. Alright. Area affected. Be 24. 5. Tail. 11. Oxygen supply. 4. Tail oxygen out. That means we're going to go to low altitude, which really isn't going to hurt us at all because we're going to be back over Algeria, and Algeria is friendly. Make sure I read that right. Yeah, Algeria is friendly, so we're not going to get any extra problems there. We were going to be out of formation anyway because we're going to find out shortly that our bombs won't drop. So that's not going to hurt us too bad. Second hit. 8. Right wing. 4. Wing flap. Inoperable. starting to take a little damage here. Alright, third hit. Seven, superficial. Okay, so then we go for the bomb run, which we know now, we find out the bomb mechanism screwed up, so we're automatically off target. And we are allowed to try to manual release by rolling a d10. 1 to 4, we will drop. Of course not. We fail to release. So, Zone 6 bomb. And hopefully we have 5, actually make that 4 zones that we can try to drop them in, because I don't think we can drop them in Zone 1. Yeah, we're going to have trouble landing. So, German resistance again on the way out, moderate. We roll 5, 6, 7. Going to be one wave of moderate on the way out. None removed. And that wave will be moderate. 65. 2CO2, 2C2O2s. Vertical dive. And 6 o'clock low. Okay, so now we go to not random events, defensive fire allocation, 6 o'clock low, ball turret and tail, and vertical dive. Top turret. Mark off ammunition. And German fighter pilot skill, 6 o'clock. 3 is average, dive is ace. Defensive fire against C202. +2 for 6 o'clock, +2 for power. This will be our tail turret. It's +3. 9, 10, 11, 12. That's going to hit. Damage against the C202. Right here. 11. He is destroyed. That'll be the tail gunner. Okay, and then the vertical dive. We're going to have a -3. -1 for the ace is -4. Functioning power turret is -3. That's going to be a miss. Alright, so he'll come in and attack us. Vertical dive. Needs a 9 or more, adding 1. 7, 8, misses. Okay. No collision. Returns the deck. 1 miss. And 1 stays undamaged. Okay. That'll be a total of 1 attack. No evasive again. We're going to move to zone 5. Alright, zone 5, we're going to attempt to jettison. So we're going to roll 1 die 10. 7 still unsuccessful. Alright, we have hazy weather, mechanical failure, no mechanical failure. Information above 10,000 feet. Light German resistance. No fighter coverage. 2. -1 is 1. 0 waves. 0 removed, 0 attack, 0 evasion, 0 flak. Mechanical failure. Oh, zone 4. Gonna roll again to jettison our bombs. 2 we have at that time. Zone 4 inbound. Jettison. So at least we don't have that monkey on our back anymore. Mechanical failure. 100. That'll be no. Information above 10,000 feet. No German resistance in this zone. And we move to zone 3. Zone 3, 50% cloud cover. We have no mechanical failure. Got to roll before we say that. We are still in. Nope. Up. I screwed up already. That's 2 zones we should have been out of formation. And below 10,000 feet. I hate it when I screw up. Well, we did. That's all there is to it. Fortunately, it didn't cost us because we met no resistance in either one of them zones. And it would not have made a difference here. So, we are out of formation and below 10,000 feet. There is no... Oh, I misread last zone too. I'm really screwing up. I read the none last zone and that was for the way out. So we're going to have to roll for that one. 6, 5. That would be 1. I'm going to go ahead and evade. So this is zone 4. Wave 1. Inbound. Yes, I could mess up. Actually, I got good excuse today. I worked day shift to try out a day shift position, and right back to nights tomorrow, so my head's a little foggy, but no excuses. At least we caught it. 31. None. So that works out. We didn't lose anything. Okay, so back to zone 3 where we should have been. That's really none. We're back to poor fighter coverage. Don't need them. I'll move to zone 2. Mechanical failure. 90. No mechanical failure. We are out of formation below 10,000 feet. We have light German resistance again. And we roll 9, 8. That'll be 2 waves. I'm really messing up here today. Get myself all confused here. Okay. 2 waves. Light. But we have good fighter coverage too. So first roll is 52. None. Now we are out of formation, so we re-roll. 44. 3 C202s and an ME109. ME109 at 12 o'clock level. 3 MC202. And they come in at 9 o'clock high. 10:30 level. And 12 o'clock low. And we're going to check for driven off. Well, let's set them up first. 109, 12 o'clock level. MC 202 at 9 o'clock high. 10:30 level. And 12 o'clock low. German fighter pilot. Oh, no. Number of German fighters driven off. We have good coverage in this, so we're going to roll right here. 3. Look at that. 3 driven off. 2 in each additional wave. So we'll get rid of all but, let's say, the 9 o'clock one. (109) DO and 2 202s DO. 9 o'clock then. Defensive fire allocation, 9 o'clock level. Top turret, ball turret, left waist. Alright. Fighter pilot skill. Ace. Defensive fire, we'll go left waist first. -1 for ace, +1 for 9 o'clock. 12, that's going to be a hit. MC202. Right here. Nine. That is destroyed. Return to deck, and that will be my left waist getting a kill. Once in on the action, he does. 202 KIA LW. All right. So 109 driven off. 2 202s driven off. 1 202 KIA. All right, then we got one more wave, and 2 of these will be driven off also, and we're in the light 41, and that says none. And with that, we go into our landing zone. The weather there is good. will roll a 4. Good thing we got them bombs out, huh? That's it, 4. We landed good. And that, my friends, is the mission. We survived it. We didn't do very well bomb-wise, but we did survive the mission. I once again made a couple mistakes, but that's going to happen. At least I'm catching most of them. And I enjoy doing this. That's all that matters. And hopefully it helps you guys out some too, and I don't mess things up too much for you. You all have a great day, night, and thanks for joining me.